Hey, good afternoon everybody. It's Chris from BD Diesel. I'm going to give you another little short tour here of another department that we have at BD. This is the fuel injection lab, and we're going to look at CP3 pumps and fuel injectors. We're going to start with fuel injectors though. If you follow me, there's a few different test rooms we're going to go into to ensure that the quality is top notch before it gets shipped out the door. So first step for quality control is our clean room. They're assembling the injectors. They're going to be calibrating them with shims and stuff with air to get them calibrated to where they should be perfect. And then what we're going to do is we'll test them on the test bench there to make sure that the flow and everything is correct. So in this particular one, testing with Bosch test equipment, everything's Bosch. Even the torque wrenches are Bosch. So we've been a Bosch shop for years, like back in 1972 when BD first started. It was Valley Fuel Injection, building injectors and pumps for the farm community and stuff around here, doing all the tractors and all that kind of stuff. So we've been Bosch for many years, longer than I've been around. So yeah, and they use all Bosch equipment and even Bosch parts. Like we don't go with anything else other than Bosch. And then once they come out of that room, after they calibrate them with air and put all the shims and everything in, they come into here and we use this very simple pop tester just to pop test them, get all the air out of them, get them full of fluid, you know, electronically fired by this machine here, and then just mechanically pop tested here. And then they go on to the big machines and get calibrated to make sure that they're perfect. So we're back in the test bench room. We got two 815 Bosch test equipment here. We have two of them here, and actually we have a third one we use for testing just CP3 pumps, so we don't have to keep switching it over. This particular one's running right now with a CP3 pump on it, feeding 4 common rail injectors. And so what it'll do is this thing will run for like 2 hours and do multiple different tests. The shot-to-shot test it's doing right now to make sure everything's good. And then after they've been run for a couple hours, they come off the bench and we take them over and laser them, put our part number, our serial number, work order number, everything on there. So later on down the road, if a guy wants to know what kind of injector he has, because we have stock, we have our 30 horsepower ones, stuff like that. So one of the other things we do is with all our injectors, we include the flow test data, showing them pass and all the test parameters and stuff like that. Guys use that a lot for calibrating or tuning and stuff like that. So that's all included. Usually if we have a problem in the field, it's something that happened in the field. Yeah, and that could be anything from contaminant, you know, dirt, whatever. But we do have a no hassle warranty on our injectors. So if they do get a little bit of debris in them or something like that, which hopefully that doesn't happen, you send it back to us, we send you another one.